Okay, so there it was. What the heck was that noise? That's the fifth or sixth time that I've heard that. That is really strange, isn't it? And it sounds like it's coming from where I'm pointing it, where I'm pointing the camera, which is what, southwest. So I'm in East Fort Worth, and I'm just off of I-30 and 820. And I mean, possibly it was coming from the 820 area, maybe as far down as I-20 if you look on a map, but it was definitely coming from that area. Um, yeah, that was quite strange and jarring. I would like to know your opinion, what that was. Anybody who's heard that before. And this right here, that's a bird feeder, just so you know. That's a bird feeder. But the noise is still coming from over there.